Good morning to all of you children. Please pray. So in the previous class, I was discussing with you time and longitude relationship. Longitude and time relationship in the previous class we have discussed. I told you that for every change in 1 degree longitude, there is a change of 4 degree. For every change in 1 degree longitude, there is a change of 4 minutes. So you can ask that how this calculation, from where this we have got that why for every change or change in 1 degree longitude, there's a difference of 4 minutes. Children, due to rotation of the earth completes its one rotation in how many hours? Earth completes its rotation in how many hours? Rajveer, yes. Ranveer Singh?
Sir, 24 hours.
24 hours. Now tell me, anyone, that how much degree angle it subtends when it completes one full rotation? Anyone? Akshita? Urvash, yeah.
Good morning, sir. Sir, 360 degree.
Three 360-degree. In 24 hours. So 1 degree in how many hours? Of 1 degree, accordingly it will be calculated. Are you able to understand? 360, 24 hours. One degree, how much time difference? Please refer your book also side by side, page number 26 and 27. Keep your book open there. Understood? Children, please see. 360 degree in 24 hours. So you divide it 360 degree by 24 hours. 15 degree in 1 hour. Clear to you? Is this clear to all of you? Please see. When you try to find that in 24 hours, Earth rotates 360 degree. So in 1 hour, how much degree? So 1 hour 15 degree. Clear? 1 hour is also called 60 minutes. You can say either 1 hour or 60 minutes. It means Earth is rotating 15 degree in 60 minutes. So in 1 degree, how much? 60 upon 15 to 4 minutes. Now it is clear to you how this 4-minute calculation has come? Children, if it is clear to you, kindly raise the hand. That how you have found this, that for every 1 degree change in longitude, there will be a change of 4 minutes. This is the calculation. Clear? Okay. Zero degree prime meridian. This line is also known as Greenwich line. This line is also known as Greenwich line, and the time, local time of this line is also called Greenwich Mean Time. The local time of this line. Children, where is this line? Please see your book and underline this. Actually, Greenwich is a small town. This is a small place near London, and this line is passing from there. Greenwich is a small town. It is a place near London, and 0 degree longitude is passing from there. Okay, the local time of prime meridian or 0 degree longitude or Greenwich line is considered as reference line for the international time. As I told you, it is just a recapitulation, a revision, because many of you must be studying it for the first time. So I want to clarify each and every doubt. It is very interesting also, and it will help you later also. When you will travel abroad, when you go somewhere outside for study, this will help you. You'll be able to relate why there's a time difference. Why this in India I'm calling my home time is different and here it is different. Please understand it. Clear to you? So this 0 degree line is passing from Royal Astronomical Observatory. You can underline in your book also, page number 25. This line is passing from Royal Astronomical Observatory at Greenwich. And this is the reference line for calculation of the time all over the world. Children, now I will talk to you about the local time and standard time. What is the local time? Previously we have discussed. Anybody want to give answer? Kindly raise the hand. Anyone? Anushka, okay. I'm unmuting you. Yes, please, Anush, unmute it. I'm unmuting you, but still, can you speak now? There's a problem, something. I don't know. I'm unmuting you. Okay, Nimesh.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, local time of a place can be calculated if we know the longitude of the place.
Local time is calculated with the help of longitude. Is that clear? Everybody knows? Okay. So, children, local time is calculated with the help of longitude of a particular place. So, when the sun is overhead on a particular longitude, that is the noon time. Clear? Now, suppose that this is a country. Suppose that this is a country ABC. Any country you take, fictitious country. So many longitudes are passing. So many. Can you understand? Raj Nandini? So many longitudes are passing. Children, are you able to understand? Aditya Singh? Local time, if you calculate, if you take, every longitude will have different local time. Time 1, time 2, time 3, so many times. Now, every city, there are hundreds of cities in a country. Every person will, every city or the people living on a particular longitude will set their wall, their clock and watches according to this. It will create a confusion. Is that clear to you? If everybody will set their time according to the local time, what will be the problem? Timing, let us take the example of India. One map I am opening, I am showing you. Please see this. This is a good map. Kindly observe. This time it is putting on in front of you. See, children. So many longitudes are passing. Can you see? Children, observe this map first. Please observe it. So many longitudes are passing. Can you see? All of you observe. These are the longitudes. See, north to south lines. North to south line, observe. Now, if the places on this longitude, can you see the pointer? Please give confirmation. Channel, can you see the pointer? Suppose that this 70 degree east, 74 degree east, 78 degree, 82, 84, 90. So many longitudes are passing. Now, if every longitude, the places located on every longitude, they start having their own local time, and they will set their walls, their clock, wall clock and wrist watches according to this longitude. It will create a confusion, because you know that every longitude, there is for every degree change in longitude, how much is the time difference? 4 minutes. Clear? So children, you can see India's longitudinal extent is about 29 degree. From west to east, there's a difference of 29 degree. Take it near about 30 degree. So it is about 2 hours. 2 hours difference from Gujarat, western coast to eastern Arunachal. Clear? It will create an utter confusion. After few kilometers, people will have different time. After a few kilometers, people in Rajasthan will have different time. In UP, Bihar, Meghalaya, every places you have different times, because you are following what you are following. You are following the local time, and local time is calculated by the sun on that particular longitude. Is that clear? Is it clear? If it is clear to you, please raise the hand. If it is not clear, then also you have to give. You have to give answer. You have to ask me that, sir, it is not clear to me. Just don't raise the hand because everybody is raising. No. Those of you who have understood, for them I am asking. Another diagram I am drawing here separately to make you understand. See, suppose that if 5 different time people are following, or 10 different every place, this is very less. You know, hundreds of longitude will pass, hundreds of longitude, and every person, every city will decide the time according to its own longitude. Others are able to understand? So it will create a problem. Suppose that here it is 7 p.m. Here 6 p.m. 5:30 3 p.m. You call your relative in different city, they will tell different time. So this will be a problem. Now put down the hand first of all. Those have not understood that why, if people will follow local time, if you understand local time, then we'll go for the standard time. First, understand local time. Those have not understood that why following the local time, that is the longitude, time of a particular longitude, will create a problem. If you think there's no problem at all, raise the hand. Krishna, you have not understood?
So like in India, we follow only one time zone or different time.
That is the next part. When you understand local time, I will come to the standard time, then I will tell you what is standard meridian.
Okay.
First you tell me, and all other students, Parth Tiwari also unmuted. Yes, Parth, what you have not understood?
Sir, that international date line, why is that curve that looks given in the
Listen, Parth Tiwari, I am not explaining international date line. I am not explaining at all. Don't jump on the another topic. I am explaining you. Presently, all the students are. I'm trying to explain all the students local time and standard time. That is the another topic. Have you understood local time or not?
Sir, when I take the world map, and then there is, when I say that in the phone, Then there are different time differences in USA. I say that in this side, there's it is showing some other time, and that side it is showing another time.
That is time zone. It is another topic. That is time zone. You must have seen also written time zones. I'm just asking longitude and time relationship. Have you understood
Yes.
how the local time is calculated? Yes,
Yes.
Himesh, please.
Sir, I have understood that how it would create problem if we follow different time zones, but I have not understood how to describe means define the local time.
The local time, you can see, again, I'm telling you definition. You can also write from the book. The local time of a place is defined by the longitude of a particular place.
Yes,
Or
sir.
the local time of a place can be calculated if we know the longitude of the place. Or another definition, the local time of a place is the time calculated by the longitude passing from that place. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Dev Mishra? Yes. Unmuted. Yes. Yashi Singh, are you in the class? No. Yes. So now, so you have understood? Local time. Your question is part totally different. That is international date line. To wait for that. Wait for some time. That will also be explained. But first, one by one, local time. So if in a country, every place follow the local time, means the time of its own longitude, it will start creating confusion because from city to city, means city to city, east west direction, every longitude time will be different. If we move from east to west direction, listen carefully, if we move from west to east or east to west direction in a particular country, every city, every different city will have different time. Till here it is clear? To solve this problem, to address this problem, we have concept of a standard time. We have concept of a standard time. Means to stop this confusion, we are not going to follow different longitudes time, but a central longitude. One longitude is selected. Listen carefully. One longitude is selected, which is called central meridian, passing almost from the middle of a country. Ayushi Gupta, are you able to understand what I am teaching? To stop this problem, to mitigate or to solve this problem of confusion, if every person will follow the time of their own longitude, a central longitude which is almost passing from the middle of a country is selected. This is called central meridian. Although many longitudes are passing, but this central meridian is selected, which is passing from the center of a country. Every person, every city will follow, all the city, all the town will set their clock, their watches and their clock from the time recorded at central meridian. Again, I am repeating, listen carefully. Every place in this country, suppose that this central meridian is not 175. (105° west). Now, this is a central meridian decided. Adarsh Gupta, Aditi, are you understanding? It is decided that this meridian, this longitude is passing from the center of this country. Okay. Now, what is the local time of this central meridian? What is the local time of this central meridian will be taken as the standard time for all country, for all the country, all city. Everywhere, what is the time recorded? What is the time that is recorded over this meridian will be taken as the standard time for all the country. Clear to you? In case of India, please observe this, please see. In a moment, it is getting open. Yes. Please observe, children. Please see this diagram figure. In case of India, our country, can you see India's map? Ayushi Gupta, can you see? Okay. This is the standard meridian. India's standard meridian. I'm using encircling it. Can you see this? What I'm encircling with this color? Adarsh Gupta, Varnika, can you see? And what is the degree of this meridian? 82.5 degree east. 82.5 degree east. Please see, standard meridian, it is written. It is passing almost from the middle of India, almost 82.5 degree east. And now a city in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, UP, Bihar, Sikkim, Arunachal, Assam, anywhere, every city, every town, every place will follow the time recorded here. This line only. Now it is clear to you, children? In case of India, this is our standard meridian. The local time of standard meridian, 82.5 degree east. Whatever time is recorded at this line, we follow. Every place in India follow the same time. Rudransh, is it clear to you? If it is clear, children, please raise the hand. Digitally, not physically. Give me a confirmation if you understood. Now, generally, a central meridian is taken in a multiple of 15 degree or generally a central meridian of a country is taken either in a multiple of 15 degree or 7 degree, 7.5 degree. Why? Because the time calculated by this will be in round figure like 30 minutes or 1 hour. Understood? 15-minute difference, how much time difference will be there? 15 degree, how much time difference? Shanil? 15 degree, how much difference will be there?
So 1 hour.
1 hour. And 7.5 degree?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. This is the purpose, so that from the Greenwich mean time or from the prime meridian, which is the reference line, Dev Mishra, I'll give your answer. Just a minute. I will unmute you. So, from the prime meridian, if you take any place central meridian either in multiple of 15 or 7.5 degree, so it will be like 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 6.5. 7 or 7.5. Okay, this way it will come. Are you able to understand? Like India is how much difference from India's and Greenwich time? 5.5 hours yesterday I told. 5.5 hours. I can calculate again. Please see. Let me explain this topic, then I'll come to you, your question. 0 degree and India's standard meridian. Zero degree, 82.5 degree east. How much longitude difference? Anshika Mishra, let us discuss this. Anshika Mishra, how much time difference is there?
So 5 hours.
Leave that one. How much longitude difference is there? This much you tell. Longitude difference.
So
Minus 0 from here to here. 82.5 degree minus 0. So it will be 82.5 degree for 15 degree. 1 hour. Clear? For 15 degree, 1 hour. For 82.5 degree, you can divide it and you will get 5 hours 30 minutes. India is to the east of prime meridian. India is to the east of. Now, what will happen if it is 12 p.m. here? What will be the time recorded here? Anybody? Ayushi Gupta? If it is 12 p.m. here, time will be more than this or
sir,
less? More than this or less than this? You tell
sir,
me.
more. It will be more.
Because we are going toward the east. So it will be 5:30 p.m. Now I'm coming to the question. Who asked the question? Dev Mishra. Dev, I'm not able to see you. Are you here? Dev. Unmuted, Dev. Ask question. Dev.
Sir, at New Delhi, sir, now I have seen in world clock that it is showing that London is 4 hours 30 minutes behind from
What?
New Delhi. London is
5 hours 30 minutes.
so it is showing, and sir, then if we are following standard time in every India, in whole the India, then what will follow in that Andaman and Nicobar and
Same
Lakshadweep?
time. Everywhere same time. Even
Okay.
Sri Lanka, listen, one question I'm telling you, one extra information I'm giving you. Even in Sri Lanka and Nepal, which is near to. Yes, Saif Khan, what is going on? If you can leave the class, if you have some other work, please leave the class, don't disturb other. Sit seriously, otherwise you can leave, please. Just sit. I told you, please be mentally present also in the class. Continuously you're talking to somebody. Listen, even a small country like Sri Lanka and Nepal, they also follow the same time of standard meridian of India. Okay, Adarsh? Okay, Rajnandini? Clear to you? They also follow the same time that India follows. Sri Lanka and Nepal. Yes, Krishna? Unmuted.
Sir, like in Sri Lanka, we follow same time in India.
Wait a minute. Unmuted again. Yes.
Sir, in Sri Lanka also we follow same time of India.
Yes.
Sir, but in Nepal timing is different.
What is the time?
Sir, I have checked on Google. Now it is showing 9:21.
Listen. And what is the that time zone they are showing? Any time zones they are showing?
Yes, sir. 5:45.
If they have changed recently, that is another issue. Otherwise, they are following the same. They are free to choose another time zone also. Is that clear? It
Okay,
is not
sir.
any compulsion. Yes. Anybody else is having question? Shrishti, you have question? Please put down the hand only except those who want to ask any question. Put down the hand, please check if by mistake somebody has raised the hand. Otherwise, only those who have any question raise the hand. Yes, unmuted Shrishti.
Sir, every country has their own standard time.
Every country has their own standard time, and there is a possibility, and it is a true thing. Let me tell you that there are certain countries, there are some countries which are very big. I'm showing you. Their size is very big. What does it mean? Their longitudinal extent is very large. Are you able to understand, Shrishti?
Yes.
The longitudinal extent is very large. Means east to west. Longitudinal extent. Their east to west extent is very large. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So they follow sometimes more than one time zone also. They follow sometime more than one time zone also. Is that clear? Why? Because
So they
listen. Because if they follow only one time zone, it is if they follow only one time zone, or if they follow only one standard meridian time, if they take only one standard meridian, it is not justifiable. So, like USA, like Canada, Australia, see, like Russia. Russia has 11 time zones. USA has 6 time zones because their longitudinal extent is very wide. So they have 4 standard meridian, 5 standard meridians, 7 standard meridian, like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Priya asked.
Sir, only local time is followed in city only.
Local time, what local time is?
Follow in only city.
No, local time is not followed. I have told that every meridian has its own local time. But as a country, we follow the standard time, which is the local time of 82.5 degree east in case of India. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Listen, if Gorakhpur is following its meridian time, it's called local time. Lucknow is following its own meridian time, it's local time. But actually, we follow one time, which is a standard time. Then we have to select some meridian, Priya. We have to select some meridian. That meridian is 82.5 degree east. Again, I can bring that diagram in front of you. That meridian is 82.5 degrees. Priya, please see. Standard meridian, it is written. All places in India follow the local time. Listen again here. Listen carefully my sentence. All places in India follow the local time of 82.5 degrees, which is the standard meridian of India. See, it is not that it's a standard meridian. We have selected it. Listen carefully, children. We have selected this meridian as a standard meridian because we follow the local time of this meridian all over India. Is it clear now? We have selected this meridian as a standard meridian because, Priya, We follow
Yes, sir.
the local time recorded at this meridian all over India. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Not
Okay,
not our own meridian time. Otherwise,
sir.
it will create confusion. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
welcome. Aditya unmuted. Unmuted.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please ask your question.
Sir, I have, sorry, sir, I have forgot to lower hand.
No problem. Okay. Skruti, what's the name? Ani Skruti Shrivastava. Please ask.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, we have to write the notes of this chapter.
But I have not completed the chapter. I think that you are asking some question. Question answer I will discuss. Let me finish this chapter. Definitely you have to write. Notes means question and answer we will discuss. In the very beginning, I have told that our question exercises we have to do. Answer the following question. Define the following terms. Distinguish between. Give reasons. Diagram. But let me finish. One more topic is left. International date line. Then we will discuss the question answer and you will do in the copy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Few minutes are left. Ask a question. Rajveer, unmuted.
Sir, what is the difference? Means the connection between Mirzapur and Greenwich. Sir, what is the connection between Mirzapur and Greenwich?
Where it is written? What you have read? Means what is the question?
No, sir, I have not read. Sir, I'm asking that because Mirzapur lies in the center of the India because it always passes. And why is it is connection between Greenwich and Mirzapur?
It is not about a connection from Mirzapur or Greenwich. Any place can have a connection from Greenwich. Is that clear? Greenwich or 0° longitude or prime meridian is the reference line. As in India, I have just shown that 82.5° east is the reference or the standard meridian for India. Okay. Greenwich mean Greenwich time and standard prime meridian or Greenwich mean this line. Prime meridian or 0° longitude, which is passing from Greenwich, is the standard meridian for all over the world. Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
We follow the time recorded. We calculate our time with reference to. Listen, in Gorakhpur, do you have different time?
No, sir.
No, we follow the time recorded at 82.5° east. That is the standard meridian. In the same way, 82.5° east time is also calculated now. That is done with the help of time recorded at Greenwich. Is that clear?
At Greenwich or at Indian local standard time it is recorded.
India's standard time is recorded at India's standard time is followed from the time recorded at 82.5° east.
Okay, sir.
And this time, 82.5° time, as I told you, it is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead from Greenwich time. So always any country, when it calculates its standard time, reference line is for international purpose. Listen carefully. For India, our standard meridian is the reference line. For international time calculation, 0° of prime meridian is the standard line. Clear to you? Okay. Channel, yes.
And so in last class, I've asked one question.
What?
So in last class, I've asked one question.
Repeat that question.
So suppose at prime meridian, it is 12 noon.
Yes.
And a person at 15° east is traveling from 15° to 45° east.
Yes.
In 2 hours.
Okay.
So when he reaches 45° east, what will be the time there?
If he is going to the east, 2 hours will be added. If he is going toward the west, 2 hours will be subtracted.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Please, time has exceeded. Ask quickly. Urvashi, yes.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in book on page number 27,
Yes.
Point number 3, Point number second, generally the standard meridian of a country is taken as a multiple of 15 degree or 7 degree.
Yes,
And so why it is taken as 15 multiple of 15 degree or 7 and a
yes.
half?
I think you have not heard. I have explained it. It is still on the blackboard. You can see 15 degree and 7.5 degree multiple. It is taken because to limit the time either by 1 hour or 30 minutes. Because if you take 15 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degree, time will be like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Because 15 degree is equal to 1 hour. Clear? 7.5 means because 7.5 will be 30 minutes. Is that clear? 7.5 degree amounts to or equal to 30-minute time difference. So either you take different standard meridian or time zone that is about at least 1 hour difference or 30-minute difference, not less than this. That is why.
Thank you.
Yes, Nirmit. Once question is answered, please put
Sir.
down your hand. Urvashi.
Sir, I want to ask, sir, like in Australia, in Adelaide, it's currently 13:18 and in South Wales, 13:48. So, sir, they are not following the standard time.
Not able to hear. What you are saying? Adelaide?
Sir, in Adelaide, it's currently 13:18 and in Australia, South Wales, it is 13:48.
Yes.
So, sir, they are not following the standard time.
They are following, but the reason is that Australia has more than one time zone. That is why.
Okay, sir.
That is
Thank
why.
you, sir.
That is clear to you. The concept is clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
More than one standard meridian they are following. That is why. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please, last question. Winston. Rawson, Winston. Ask.
Sir, first chapter question answer we have to write in copy.
What?
Sir, first chapter question answer we have to write in copy.
Sir, whatever sir has given.
Sir, sir has not given. Only notes, sir has given of first chapter.
Sir has not given any question answer, like answer the following question, give reasons. This was not.
Sir, nothing. Only notes of first chapter.
Yeah, Krishna Ranjan. 2-3 students give me confirmation. Krishna Ranjan.
Yes, sir.
Adarsh William. Sir has not given any question answer.
No, sir.
Only notes.
Yes, sir. Say said to write question answer by own.
Okay, I will tell you in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Copy na.
Notes to you have to do in copy. Yes, obviously.
Sir, we have to submit copy na.
Yes, yes, you will submit copy definitely. Whatever work you have done from chapter 1, kindly submit copy positively. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good day to all of you.